With our lobster, we're going to start off with our material face down, and we're going to do a accordion fold, and I'm going to start them with just small folds, as many small folds. These folds are going to help us with the lines that go in the back of your lobster. So I guess as many folds that I have, the better our lines will be on the lobster. This would be nice for one of those seafood nights or seafood dinners if you have a dinner party. Have little lobsters in the plate. At the very end, take that, wrap it around your hand, and bring it back in like so, and pull it through. Just want to pull a little bit of it in, a little bit of it out. This is the tail of our lobster. Now, right here is our body. And in order to form our body, we have to pull these folds out so we can see the lines. There we go. Try to keep the folds there because those create the lines in our body. Pull the tail out a little bit. Out. There's the tail of our body. Just take this fold down a little bit. There we go. More folds in our body to create the lines in our body. Okay. Here, this end is going to be the claws. So in order to do the claws, we're going to turn it around and fold it in. I'm going to take the outside, the last part, and fold it in the opposite direction and pull our body back. We're just going to tie it. Okay, and in tying it, we create our lobster head and our lobster claws. The most elaborate and delicate napkin folds, you definitely have to work with them and make sure that they are the way you want them. We want these to be as perfect as we can get them. So the lobster body's got his lines, he's got his head, and he has his claws. Pull these up. There is our lobster. You can create these for all your plates, put them on your dinner table. This is a cotton napkin, and I've created a fold already in there. And what I'm going to do is just twist it around and tie it. Bring my tail back out. Alrighty, here we go. We're going to make the lines on the body. claws. This time, instead of folding it back and tying it, I'm just going to gather it like so. And make a knot. And pull it through. See, our claws are not as prominent like that. Let's take that loose and try that again. Do our claws. Maybe just folding it in does help to do that. So fold it in. Point through there. Dinner napkins, the best napkins to work with these on. They're bigger. This is a lunch napkin. Excuse me, not a lunch napkin, it's just a smaller dinner napkin. I'll put the sizes in the description box. There we go. Here are our 2 lobsters. Have fun with these. Use different material, like the silky material, the cotton material, the polyester, larger napkins. Just have fun with them. You don't even have to put them on your plates. You can put them on your buffet when you are setting up your buffet as your seafood design, if you're going to have a buffet. Just decoration on your table setting. Whichever way you want to do it. Have fun with them.